Well, hi folks, we'll just do a quick spud reveal now. As you can see, my potatoes are absolutely huge. So these are some Charlottes. Might not look very good because I'm doing it with one hand and I'm trying to get in and chop the old tops down with one hand and film at the same time. Oh. So I'll just chop the tops off. It's a bit dark as well, it's last thing at night. There's another one there. These are Charlottes in the pot. They're probably going to be miles too big. Now, they were a little bit small about 3 weeks ago and I've just left them. So, anyway, well, I'll lift her out. Oh, still got one left on. And we'll tip her out and see if we've got any. Should definitely have some this time. You can see all the roots that have grown through the side of the pots and into the soil. So let's have a look. Oh, they're looking a bit big. New potatoes. But there looks to be absolutely plenty. No, they're not so bad actually. Looks like a good... Oh, not midges are coming out now. And my battery's about to run out. Oh, it's full of them. Little bit on the big side, but looks alright. Getting absolutely murdered by bloody midges now. Look, spuds keep coming. It's just full of them. Crap, look at it. It's literally solid. Jesus Christ. Solid potato. I've kept these really well watered. So obviously, if you don't water them, you get a small yield, but you also tend to get scab. So you sort of kill two birds. Christ, they just keep coming. I've never seen a crop like this. Of 2 seed potatoes. The reason I didn't get a big crop last time is because I only put one off. For some reason. Oh, look at them. I just put 1 seed potato in. So, any more? Yep, a few more. Another one there. Well, that's got a bit best. Oh God, these midges. One of the best crops of new potatoes I've ever had. I've had some scales, I'd weigh them, but I can definitely say there's 5 pound of spuds there. Okay, some of them are a bit big, but that's an absolutely belting crop of Charlotte. So I left them in about 3 weeks longer than I thought, but okay, some are a bit big, but still a great crop. So anyway, that's just a quick, oh, there's another one there, just a quick spud reveal, because I've not got anything really exciting going on at the moment. So that's about it, folks. See you later.